Hello and welcome to the big news of the day. I am with you, Mohammad Faisal. First of all, look at the headlines. Why will Nitish Kumar said, "This is my last election"? Trump's return difficult after Biden's victory in Wisconsin, Michigan. Violence in many states. Jharkhand 8th results will be published again. Unsuccessful students will get 20% grace marks. Former Jharkhand Chief Secretary Sajal Chakraborty passed away. Mumbai-Delhi face-to-face for a place in IPL 2020 final. Losers will get another chance. And at the end of the bulletin, what is the condition of corona in the country? India biotech vaccine may come in February. Now in details. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar said in an elections meeting on Thursday that this is his last election. It is their decision or emotional crowds are being speculated. He was addressing the last rally of the third and last phase of the assembly election in Damdaha. Nitish said, "Today is the last day of election campaign. The day after is the election and this is my last election. All is well with the end after this." Nitish appealed to Damdaha to win JDU candidate Lasse Singh. Who will win the presidential election in America? Joe Biden or Donald Trump? The answer may be found by this evening. Right now, Baji appears to be in Biden's hand. They have snatched Michigan and Wisconsin from Trump. Trump won here in 2016. Trump supporters and directors staged violent demonstrations in several US states amid the results so far. So far, 60 people have been arrested. According to the New York Times, he has on 253 electoral votes. Trump has 214 votes on his count. In addition, Biden broke Barack Obama's 12-year-old record of his own party. By Thursday morning, Biden had garnered 710 million popular votes. In 2018, Obama received 6,904,098,516 votes. Special examination will not be conducted for the failed students in Jharkhand Academic Council. 20% of all students of class 8 have failed will be passed by seeing grace marks. On Wednesday, Chief Minister Hemant Soren gave his approval on the proposal of the Department of School, Education and Literacy. Chief Minister Hemant Soren has approved the proposal to publish the examination again by giving 20% grace to the unsuccessful candidates in the 8th board. The 8th board examinations of 250 marks is done by the Jharkhand Academic Council, in which the candidates who scored 33% or 83 marks pass with this decision of the state government. Now the unsuccessful candidates who scored 13%, that is 33 marks, will also pass. Former Chief Secretary of the State Sajal Chakraborty died on Thursday. He breathed his last in Bengaluru. Sajal, who was ill for a long time, had gone there for treatment. Who was convicted in the fodder scam was on bail. He was found involved in the scam. The court sentenced him to 5 years in prison. Due to this, he also had to go to jail. Sajal Chakraborty was a well-known IAS from Jharkhand. He had also been the Deputy Commissioner of Ranchi. He started his career as a journalist of an English daily in Ranchi. Later, he passed the civil service examination. In the 90s, he was counted among the favorite officers of then Chief Minister of Bihar, Lalu Prasad. He was always in discussion due to his impeccable style. Significantly, in the fodder scam case, there was an illegal withdrawal of rupees 33.70 crore from the Chaibasa treasury. At that time, Sajal Chakraborty was the Deputy Commissioner of West Singhbhum, headquarters of Chaibasa. Despite knowing, Sajal was accused of not taking action on the culprits and taking bribe from the fodder scam accused. In this case, two former Chief Ministers of Bihar, Lalu Prasad Yadav and Jagannath Mishra, was sentenced in 2013 only. Sajal was sentenced in this case in November 2017. Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals will face-to-face today in Dubai. in the first qualifier of the 13th season of IPL. The winning team will reach the final directly and the losing team will get another chance. The team which lost in qualifier 1 will face the winner of the eliminator to be held on 6th November. The winner of that match will get the final ticket. The eliminator will be played in Abu Dhabi between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore. At last, Bharat Biotech's corona vaccines may come in February. News agency Reuters has given this information by quoting a scientist associated with the government. If the vaccine comes in February, then it will be quite early, because earlier it was said that by the second quarter of next year, that is April or June, India Biotech vaccine will be available. Meanwhile, corona figures are showing a slight increase in the country after 1 week. Once again, the figure of new case has crossed 50,000. On Wednesday, 50,465 patients were found. Earlier on October 28, 50,188 cases were received. The death toll also stood at 704. This is the highest in the last 15 days. Earlier on 21 October, 701 infected people died. For now, stay tuned to JK News Network. Thank you very much.